Come test drive the 2023 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, rear step bumper, remote keyless entry. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.